Good morning to everybody. Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. So today we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty, Nifty, gold, silver, Bitcoin, crude, USD INR, and top 10 stocks according to their weightages, a possible trend for next week. That is from 14th to 18th of June. So we'll begin with the gold. In the gold, as we are in the upper trend, so we said here we sell only below the 1850. If it is not going downside, so we'll be looking for the buy. So here I just alter this. So the trend will be remain same. That is for A, B, and C. So stay in a buy for 1916 or 1917. If further, if it crosses, then it will be going to 1950. So look for the buy setup in case of gold. Stay in a buy. Only sell below this. As if you seeing the last pattern, it is like this. So if it is coming down also, there is a possibility it will go one up before it can go any further up or further down. So this is a simple structure from this point to this point. I'm just considering this from here to here and this. So look for 1916 or 1920 in case of gold, not to sell. Silver, similar. Structurally hasn't changed. As earlier we said, here it's A, B, and C, and this overall is A and B. Now it is going for the C. The small trend line breakout has given earlier, but it recovered and went inside. So now I'm just changing this channel. We'll see how it behaves or how it working presently. So this is one trend line, and this is a one more. So we can expect some consolidation here. If you see the overall correction, you can see here it is only near 32% or above 50%, right? So if I see overall trend in a daily structure, this is like it may do the flat pattern or a triangular pattern. So here there is a possibility of this and this. So this is a bigger picture. If I see the bigger picture, I get an idea that this is a three-way. So probably it will do the flat structure, most probably, or a triangular structure. So if it is has to do this and this and above, this will be the daily structure, right? And this will be the support in the long run. That is for the 22 USD. On the daily chart, if you're seeing, like, as if I see only this part coming down, this is which is going up, possibilities that it will come down once again before it can go any further upside. So here in case of silver, we can expect some correction towards the 27 or to the 26, as it may face a resistance here. If not, it will go and touch towards the 28 and above. Okay, this line and further it can go. Okay, for this very short term channel, this will be the channel. Yeah, this is there. And one more I'll add from this bottom to this. I'll just change the color in case if it is crossing the high. So it probably touching towards 28. So it is in the consolidation zone. So probably it will come down first and then go upside. So trade your uh, plan your trades according to that. Crude. So as expected earlier, like we said, here it is above the trend line or towards the trend line. So we may expect some correction only below 68 USD, right? But if I see overall structure with this RSI, you can see here there is a lot more difference in this top to this. This is a higher high and this is higher lower low. This is higher high and lower low. So it is lower low, it is higher high, but RSI is pretty low. So we may expect some correction in case of crude oil if it triggers the point. Presently, there is no sell it. Okay, just I'm modifying this channel to this now, and this I'm expanding to further up. Okay, so the very short term, maybe a 15 minutes or a hourly will be 71 or 72. It can go even for this and come down, and go for this and come down. This might be the possible structure, and sell only below. Now I'm just upgrading it to 69 and towards 68. So sell only below 69 USD, not above that. Okay, so it may consolidate and go up one more time. This is for the crude oil. USD INR. Yeah, this is structurally hasn't changed much. It touched the bottom as we discussed last week. So now it may go towards 38% first and then to the 61%. So stay in a buy for 5455 or like 74 or to the 73.5455. So look for buy in case of USD INR, not to sell. A Bitcoin. Yeah. So in the earlier week we discussed this, like if it is going inside the structure or inside this trend line, that will be the good sign. So now I'm just removing these two, or I'll remove completely so that we can get some fresh ideas. So it is the channel. It is just above the channel, or just to the channel. It is facing some resistance here. You can see beautifully how beautifully it just this channel worked, right? The second time and third time, right? Now just this is a triangular in case. Okay, now it has done 1 2 or like 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. Something has ended now. So if we can just link with the time now, we have a some little bit time left, that is for June 13th. Means single day or 1 or 2 days, if it is able to cross and close above the 39,843, so there is a chances of taking the trade by keeping the stop loss of this and buy for this. This will be the good risk reward ratio in case of Bitcoin. So stay in a buy, not to sell, sell only below 29,900. So stay in a buy for 51 or 52,000 in case of Bitcoin and USD. Nifty, as expected earlier, the structurally hasn't changed much. We said earlier like 15,540, below that only you can sell. Now I'm just extending this, or I'll just remove the channels and I'll add freshly so that it will give some new hints. This is the top, and from secondly I'm just adding to this and this bottom now and changing the color to green. Okay, so now what we can expect here, now sell only below this point, that is 15,598, and if it is above that you can buy. But what happens most of the time, this structure, if I compare, it will be doing the flat like structure. It might come down and go up once again, or else towards this 15,400. Okay, how it behaves, that depends. Like let's say for tomorrow on Monday, if it is open here and comes down, don't think that it will be going to downside. So it may take a support if it is not crossing in lesser time, or as per the two-stage confirmation. So it will go down. If it is not going down according to the two-stage confirmation, it may come up and go all up for 16,000, 16,200. Okay, look for buy above this, or very short term pullback you can expect in case of Nifty for 15,598, or little bit towards the downside, that is for 15,377. That is at the trend line. Okay, Bank Nifty, yeah, it is consolidating after the move. So there is a possibility it might go upside because one up and a consolidation. So most of the time this structure will behave like one more up, and just I'm adding this trend line to this up so that it will give some upside structure now from one below. Okay, or it might do sideways and one up. Okay, so but one down in case of Nifty is expecting, because the way it fell and the day or the way it is rising is not, I'm not happy with this trend. So what happened most of the time, it will go upside, and come down before it can go any further up or further down. So in case of Bank Nifty, we can expect some consolidation or towards a 36,570. So look for buy or a very short term sell. Only sell below 33,400. Okay. Individual stocks, HDFC. Yeah, structurally hasn't changed much. So we are expecting this. If it breaks the structure only, it will be going to go upside, or else it might come down towards this A, B, and C. So in case of HDFC, you can look buy above this 2640, or you can expect some consolidation or retesting to the level of 2360. Okay. HDFC Bank, structurally hasn't changed much, so we can expect 1580. So look for the buy, not for the sell. Hindustan Unilever, structurally hasn't changed much. It is about to cross this. We may expect this A, B, and C. Look for buy, not for sell. ICICI, yeah, it crossed the trend line, but not according to the two-stage confirmation. So it is like this. If it is crossing, most of the time they go inside the structure and go one more up. So there is a chance it will go upside. So look for 680, not to sell. Sell only below 615. Okay. Infosys, look for buy for 1480. Structurally hasn't changed much. It was consolidating here and it went upside. This is a simple A, B, and C kind of a structure. Look for buy, not for the sell. ITC, yeah, it is consolidating here. So we may expect one more buy for at least 80% or something. So I'm just marking this level. This is a 80 and simply this is A, and whatever it is doing, this is a B, and we'll go for C structure. So that will be A, B, and C. Kotak, a diamond shape, it has broken here and now it is going towards that. So look for buy above 1843 or 1844 for upper side, or else it may consolidate and give a different structure. That is like, I'm just duplicate it so that you can see that. Ghost feed maybe. Yeah, this is like A and B, and we'll go for C, right? This is one more possibility of this structure. We'll be doing A, B, and C. Can be possible only below 1632. So now look for buy 1840 above 1843 and expect some consolidation if it is coming towards 1680. LNT, as expected, it is going upside. Now it corrected a little bit. Again, you can buy here because the time is little more here. So possibly we will see one more up before it can get any further down. So look for buy, not for sell. Reliance, expected above the channel and it is consolidating there. That is a good sign. So we'll be going to go one more up for 2320. Look for buy, not for the sell. TCS, yeah, we said A, B, and C we can expect here in case of TCS, because it is taking much more time, but we can see upside totally towards upside. That is also possible. So I'm just removing this. I'm adding a fresh channel, and from the top, this is the resistance we may face. Okay, it is like a triangular structure. We can say this is a B, and C. A, B, and C. This is A, B, and C. Now this is A, B, and towards C. That is a possible. It is again a triangular structure. So look for buy for 3360, not to sell in case of TCS. Bajaj Finance, yeah, expected going towards 6500. Stay in a buy. We said we were somewhere around at this particular point at 5-6. Now it is 1,000 points movement from expected in case of Bajaj Finance towards 61 is there. Means as of now there is a 600 points movement. We can expect it to go for 65 or 6400. Okay, someone asked on the Adani Power in the group, so I'm considering those charts. So hoping that it is for the like a daily chart. So I'm considering it. So this overall structure is for the buy. I'm going for monthly overall. I haven't seen, once again, this was a long chart. Oh, it is hitting the top. That's a good sign. So it is crossing in time, right? In a lesser time. So that is a good sign in case of Adani Power. Because this is a high and this is a low, I'm considering it has up, crossed in way below this, so we can expect upper side only, so no coming back in case of Adani Power. So something has started new here, or at this structure it's 1 2 and 3 4 and 5. So look for buy towards 198, or it's a monthly chart. So yeah, look for buy, not to sell. Okay, it is a valid breakout. It is closing above that. If it is able to manage there, or 1 or 2 days, or 1 or 2 months, or 1 or 2 weeks, that's fine, and we can expect one more up. So look for buy, not for sell, in case of Adani Power, according to the weekly and daily charts also. And Nifty power sector, someone has asked, right? This is index, Nifty metal, Nifty pharma, media, energy only, right? I hope. Yes, energy chart. It is, the chart is ready. You can see. Uh, so earlier we said like this is for the 1 2 3 4 and 5, A, B, and C simple structure, and this, whatever the structure has finished, A, B, C, D, E, that is a neutral triangle. This was mentioned in the chart like this was after neutral triangle, it is going to go for high. So now what you can expect, something has started from this point. This is E, is something started new for me. So I'm just considering this. We can expect some consolidation and upside. So look for buy, not for sell. In the very long run, we can take this as a bottom and this as a top, and it has crossed the top two. So we can expect some correction and going towards 23 or 24,000. So look for the buy in case of energy sector, not to sell. This is for the next week. If you find this video useful, share among your friends and follow this for a whole week. Okay, stay safe, and please do take your financial experts or advisor advice before making any financial decisions or investment decisions. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend.